Hey y'all, I'm Naturally Curla and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video on 2 ways that I like to wear my hair wraps. My hair right now is just freshly washed and I just kind of used only a moisturizer and twisted it up. I was being extremely lazy. I didn't really want to be bothered with my hair, so that's why I am using these wraps. So first style I like to do is a swoop, of course, and I'm just going to show you how I swoop my hair and how I lay my baby hairs. I like to use Cream of Nature edge control. For some reason, I don't know why I didn't show that part. I showed it in my other clip, my other video for Instagram, but I don't know why I can't find it in here. But I'm just going to show you what I use for my baby hairs. I mainly like to use with the little edge control comb and brush attachment. I got it from the beauty supply store for like $1, but I'll leave a link on Amazon where you can find it just in case you can't find it at your local beauty supply store. Most of the time they're in the front when you go up to checkout. But this just what lays my baby hairs and allows me to play around. I just turned 30. My birthday was May 7th, for those of you that don't know. So I don't know how many more years I have laying the baby hairs in me. So for right now, I'm going to enjoy my youth. You dig? So I'm just laying my baby hairs and that's really it. And then I'm going to show you how I do my wrap. So everything didn't really lay that good because I only had this on my head for like 3 minutes. But keep in mind that I'm looking through my camera, so I couldn't really see that my bun was crooked. So I ended up fixing it off camera to place it a lot better because it was crooked at first. And I got this bun from Forever 21, but you can Walmart, wherever you want. You don't have to get a bun this big or this size. The bigger the bun, the bigger the thing will be. But I like to use this just for a placement, especially since I'm not putting an actual bun in my hair. So that's really it. And I tie it in a knot just to secure everything in place. And then I twist those end pieces and I just start placing everything around. Like I wrap it towards the back, then I bring it back towards the front, and then I'm just going to start tucking everything in place. And I do have to play around with this a little bit, so keep that in mind. Don't get discouraged. It's not really a difficult thing. It's more so me just kind of tucking and trying to hide the tag. So finally it is tucked and I've been able to hide that tag that was annoying me. So this is really it. I just clean up my swoop and that's it. I'll show you how the back looks. My hair is just in a little bun in the back, but you can lay your hair flat if you like, and if you don't like that little part sticking out. To me, I don't really care because you don't need to be all up in my head anyway. But that's really it for wrap 1. Now, wrap 2 is pretty basic the same way. I'm just going to show you how I'm just going to lay my edges. The reason why I like using Cream of Nature, because it is just a tad bit greasy, but that's kind of a good thing for me because I like to be able to transition back and forth, because some edge controls, if they're too firm, they can cause breakage. You know, it can be harsh on the hair. So be careful with, you know, I know sometimes we don't want our edges to go anywhere, but keep in mind if it's real stiff and it's real hard, it can cause breakage to your edges. So, and we don't need that kind of stress on our edges. We need to keep them. And like I said, I just turned 30, so you know, I already have health issues as is, so I'm trying to keep as much hair as I can, honey. So I'm just going to lay my hair, and this little comb makes it so easy to lay my hair and kind of play around and enjoy it. Makes me look younger than I am. And then I'm just going to brush everything up into a high ponytail. Nothing too pretty. This is actually my quickest way I always do it. This is the way everybody always asks me to show them, but it's so quick and easy, so when you see it, it's just kind of like, oh, that's it? That's all you did? So I just kind of brush my hair up. And I like to do wraps when I really don't feel like being bothered with my hair. Like, I'll just moisturize my hair the night before, and then I'll just put a wrap the next day. It allows me to kind of not over manipulate my hair. So now I'm just going to take my wrap once I find it. And I'll leave in the description box where I got this wrap, but I found out that they no longer have this wrap style anymore from where I got it. But if you want to check out any of their other wraps, you can go right ahead. I've had this wrap for over a year now. So all I do is place it on my head, and then I just twist. I just twist it as tight as possible, not too tight to cause a headache. And then I, of course, lift it up so you can see the baby hairs. That's where all the hard work is at. That's the whole point of this. And I just wrap my hair around my little bun as a placement. And then I wrap it around again, and then I'm going to tuck it in the back. And that is it. And then I'm just going to play with my little side thingamajiggies, and then I'm going to tuck that back there. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you next time. Bye.